fix clothes in seconds. The Stitchy Gun that'll save your wardrobe and your wallet. Say goodbye to fussy sewing kits and overpriced tailors. This Stitch Gun is your new wardrobe lifesaver. Whether it's a loose button, a torn hem, or a price tag that needs attaching, this quick-fix powerhouse has your back. Unlike bulky sewing machines or old-school needles, this compact, lightweight, and travel-friendly tool lets you fix clothes in a snap, literally. Designed to work on denim, cotton, wool, and polyester, it punches through fabric without leaving holes, so your outfits stay fresh and flawless. And let's not forget its tagging superpowers, perfect for labeling socks, hats, toys, and even quilts. What makes this Stitchy Gun stand out? It's ridiculously easy to use. Just insert the firmware, push the needle through the fabric, press the grip, and boom! Your repair is done. No tangled threads, no complicated bobbins, no frustration. The micro-sized needle ensures zero fabric damage, unlike other stitching tools that leave unsightly holes. Whether you're a retailer tagging clothes or a busy parent fixing a last-minute tear before school, this gadget gets the job done fast, clean, and hassle-free. It's basically your personal fashion emergency button. Let's talk about saving money, because who doesn't love that? Traditional sewing machines are expensive, bulky, and high maintenance. Tailor visits? They add up real quick. But this affordable, tech-tested tool lets you DIY your fixes effortlessly, saving time, cash, and unnecessary stress. It comes with plenty of tags and needles, so you're set for hundreds of uses before needing replacements. Forget paying $10 to $20 per repair, this bad boy pays for itself after just one use. Now that's what we call smart spending. Built to last, this Stitch Gun doesn't play around when it comes to durability. Unlike cheap, flimsy alternatives that jam or break after a few uses, this one is made from high-quality materials for long-term reliability. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use, no hand cramps, no struggling with buttons. And while it's powerful enough to handle denim and cotton, it's gentle on fabric, ensuring your clothes stay in top-notch condition without snags or damage. Just don't use it on delicate fabrics like silk. We're good, but we're not that good. At the end of the day, this Stitchy Gun is a must-have, whether you're a retail pro, a busy parent, a traveler, or just someone who hates wardrobe malfunctions. Quick fixes, perfect tags, and flawless fabric preservation, all in a cute, portable design. Why waste time with outdated sewing methods when you can stitch it up in seconds? Grab yours now and fix, tag, and save like a pro.